time to go to highest point. So how much is this? For this, what we need to do at highest point, we will consider. See, initial speed is u, final speed is v. So that we can use. So we can write v equal to u plus 80. This we can use, and at final point, means at highest point, velocity is 0 and u is u, acceleration is minus g. So we will get 0 equal to u plus u minus gt, u minus gt. So t is u by gt. So this is the time to reach the highest point, and this was the time for time of flight, the total journey time. So you can see the time of flight is double of the time to reach the highest point. Means, what does it mean? It means to go to from lower point to higher point, it takes time u by g, and for returning from here to here again it takes time u by g, and total time becomes the 2u by g. So the forward journey up to highest point and the backward journey from highest point to the lowest point are taking the same amount of time. To go to upward journey and time for downward journey, both are equal and they are equal to u by g. Okay. Okay, now we will solve some questions.